So I'm always getting the question, what is the difference between synthetic fertilizer and organic fertilizer? It seems like a simple, easy thing to talk about. So salt-based fertilizer is synthetic. It's made out of mineral salts, petroleum-based products that could be derived from. That is kind of like, when you get a needle injected into your vein of like saline or some type of medicine, it's already digested, it's already ready to go, and it's already pH balanced for your bloodstream, okay? Or you have to pH it so it's available for your bloodstream. So the plants eat the salt-based fertilizer instantly, and it goes into them instantly. It doesn't have to be broken down, digested, or any of that kind of stuff. So it has to be pH balanced so that it goes into the plant's roots at the right pH for the plant. Organic-based fertilizers don't need to be pH generally because it's using the soil or the roots as a filter or as a stomach, So there's digestion happening. So you are eating the organic food, essentially the plant is, and it's going down its digestive tract, and the roots and the soil and the microbes are breaking it down and digesting it and feeding to the plant. Two different things, right? Salt-based synthetic fertilizers like a needle in a vein. Organic fertilizers like you're eating an apple, your body's digesting it and dispersing the nutrients to you. So that's the main difference if you wanted to break it down in simple terms.